Class was amazing. It was really fun.
Awesome! I learned so much. Class was amazing.
Class was great. It was very informative and easy to understand.
It was amazing because it's something that I'll be able to use every day in the salon.
I loved it. I've taken so many classes and it really was like the best class I've ever taken.
Class was great. Learned a lot of new techniques. Learned how to blend hair well from long to short.
It was really, really good, thank you. I really enjoyed it. Learned some really good tips and techniques to take back to the UK.
Just all the different ways that he combines the different types of undercuts. I've never thought about doing it in that way. Probably my favorite part was actually just interacting with On. It's very casual and fun.
I love learning how to take out weight and how to like disperse the hair and give it that really cool lifted haircut.
Definitely utilizing the undercut to be able to kind of translate into long and short styles, and then also the one-on-one attention that we got today.
I really just liked learning how to get so much texture with just point cutting dry hair, and then also learning different ways to style with them herself.
Honestly, the point cutting. I really learned how to like take big mountains or notches out of the hair, and that's something that I wasn't really doing before. The way he blended his bob hair model's hair because it was really short, just learning that dusting technique.
I think the favourite part for me was learning more about the techniques of the lifting styling and the new wave. I think that styling's really popular now.